metal junction box as the core component of electrical system. Their standard differences directly affect safety and performance. Today we will focus on the two main standards in North America, United States and Canada metal junction box. From certification, thickness, style to material, I'll introduce you to each of them. Let's start with the certification. American metal junction boxes are UL listed, but Canadian metal junction boxes are ZL listed. Then is the thickness. The common thickness of metal junction boxes in the United States is about 1.6 millimeters. Let's measure it with a ruler loop. It's 1.63 millimeters. The Canadian metal junction box is generally 1.3 millimeters. Look, it's 1.31 millimeters. Don't underestimate the difference of a few tenths of a millimeter. In practice, thicker American junction boxes will perform better in terms of stress resistance and durability, such as in some industrial environments. It can be used to better protect internal circuitry. Then there's the style. American metal junction box style is relatively simple. The design is more practical, meet basic electrical installation requirements. It is held in place directly with a couple of screws. Canadian metal junction boxes are a little different. It will have more brackets. That's because Canada is in the north. It's cold in Canada. Many of the houses are made of wood. With these dent heads, it can be more easily fixed to the wood with nails and installed more firmly. Here's what it looks like installed finally. Let's talk about materials. They all use galvanized steel material. Galvanizing can make the junction box have good corrosion resistance, extend service life. But in the galvanizing process of American metal junction box may be more focused on improving the strength and wear resistance of the metal. And the Canadian metal junction box, because of the need to adapt to different installation environments, while ensuring corrosion resistance, will pay more attention to the flexibility of materials, easy to install and secure the bracket. The difference in certificate, thickness, style and material between American metal junction box and Canadian metal junction box. Do you remember all that? The next time you choose a junction box, you can choose products that are more suitable for your needs according to these characteristics. To learn more about our products, you can visit our website www.shlinsky.com.